I remember being told, like, boys don't act like that. They don't play with dolls. They don't play in makeup. It felt like I was silenced, if that makes sense. I work for Sephora West Village in Dallas, Texas. I am the talent business operations manager, so I do a lot of managing of people, enhancing the client experience at the same time. Growing up, my dad was in the military, and I remember being really young and confused because I knew who I wanted to be, but felt stifled by what would that look like to my dad, to the Black community, if I couldn't be what their vision of a strong Black man was. My dad was, how I was raised, the epitome of what I thought a strong Black man was, which is where some of that pressure came from to be that, look like that, sound like that, mimic that. And when I came out to my dad, I was met with complete silence. In my mind, I'm trying to scramble and figure out, what does this silence mean? I felt like I had done the worst thing. In retrospect, it took me 18 years to be comfortable enough with myself to speak those words and say that. I feel like it was okay to give him a moment to absorb and understand. What's great is that now, he's like my biggest supporter. I've been with my partner for 8 years, and I think he talks to him on the phone more than he talks to me. Now I wouldn't change anything about who I am and who I've become. And personally, I feel like I belong. Beauty in general has really helped me blossom even more. I first fell in love with beauty. I remember when being little and seeing my mom get ready in the mirror and seeing her put on a lipstick and quickly seeing how just that one thing could transform not only how she looked, but how she felt. And that's powerful. Since then, that's a power that I want to harness. And how I walk into Sephora every day is being able to share that power with someone else is what I strive to do. Finding confidence was really difficult when I was younger. I felt like my strength and my sexuality were very much tied together. So because I was gay, I wasn't strong. And I had to find strength within myself and really embrace that I can still be that strong Black man regardless of my sexuality.